Greetings, fellow seekers of knowledge and inspiration, and welcome to Ready Set Enlighten, your beacon of insight in the vast sea of information. In today's video, we delve into the captivating realm of artificial intelligence, navigating the intersection between societal expectations and reality. Join us as we unravel the mysteries, misconceptions, and marvels surrounding AI's rise, exploring its impact on employment, societal dynamics, and the boundless opportunities it presents. Now let's begin. In the realm of technology, few advancements have captured our collective imagination quite like artificial intelligence, AI. Promising to revolutionize industries, streamline processes, and enhance human capabilities, AI has garnered both fascination and apprehension in equal measure. As we navigate through this transformative era, it's imperative to bridge the chasm between societal expectations and the reality of AI's impact. First, let's talk about the perceived threat of job displacement. One of the most prevalent concerns surrounding AI is the fear of job displacement. The rise of automation fueled by AI algorithms has led to apprehensions about machines usurping human roles across various sectors. While it's true that AI has already replaced some jobs, such as repetitive manual tasks in manufacturing, the narrative is not as bleak as some may fear. Take, for instance, the banking sector. With the advent of AI-powered chatbots and automated customer service systems, routine inquiries and transactions are now efficiently handled without human intervention. However, far from rendering bank tellers obsolete, AI has liberated them from mundane tasks, allowing them to focus on more complex customer needs and providing personalized services. Similarly, in healthcare, AI has emerged as a valuable ally rather than a threat to medical professionals. Diagnostic algorithms powered by AI can analyze medical imaging scans with unprecedented accuracy, aiding doctors in early detection and diagnosis. Rather than replacing physicians, AI augments their capabilities, enabling them to make more informed decisions and allocate their expertise where it matters most, patient care. Now, let's talk about embracing new opportunities. While the integration of AI may reshape traditional job roles, it also paves the way for new opportunities in professions previously unimaginable. The burgeoning field of AI ethics, for instance, has arisen to address the ethical implications of AI deployment, ensuring that these technologies are developed and utilized responsibly. Moreover, the demand for individuals skilled in AI development, data analysis, and machine learning continues to soar. As industries harness the power of AI to drive innovation and efficiency, there's a growing need for talent capable of harnessing its potential. This presents a golden opportunity for individuals to upskill and embark on rewarding careers in the burgeoning AI landscape. How else is AI enhancing society for the better? Beyond the realm of employment, AI is making significant strides in improving societal welfare. Consider the transportation sector, where AI-powered algorithms optimize traffic flow, reduce congestion, and enhance safety on roads. Autonomous vehicles, guided by AI, hold the promise of drastically reducing accidents caused by human error, ultimately saving countless lives. In education, AI-driven personalized learning platforms cater to the individual needs and learning styles of students, fostering a more engaging and effective learning experience. By adapting content in real time based on student progress and comprehension, AI ensures that education becomes more accessible and tailored to diverse learners. Furthermore, AI is revolutionizing environmental conservation efforts. From monitoring wildlife populations and combating poaching to optimizing energy usage and reducing carbon emissions, AI-driven solutions are instrumental in safeguarding our planet for future generations. And finally, the conclusion. As we navigate the rise of artificial intelligence, it's crucial to approach it with a balanced perspective. While acknowledging the legitimate concerns regarding job displacement, we must also recognize the immense potential of AI to enhance human capabilities, drive innovation, and address pressing societal challenges. By embracing AI responsibly and leveraging its transformative power, we can pave the way for a future where technology serves as a catalyst for progress and prosperity. As we stride forward into this exciting era, let us harness the boundless opportunities that AI presents while remaining steadfast in our commitment to shaping a more inclusive and equitable society. Thank you for staying tuned into Ready Set Enlighten, and we hope you enjoyed today's video. Please consider subscribing for more content like this.